flavors, this is Shilpi. Let's make aloo gobi sabzi today. This is a traditional method of making aloo gobi with a little twist. You can make this sabzi as an everyday meal or you can also make it for parties, and I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe. So let's start with the ingredient list first. Here is the ingredient list. You can also see in the description of this video. For this recipe, first we'll cook aloo and gobi in a separate pan. We'll cook them on medium-high heat. Put some oil in the pan. I have already chopped this gobi and aloo. I'll put it in the pan. As you can see, I have chopped gobi in large pieces and potato in small pieces so that they get cooked at the same time. Add little salt to it. Mix everything well. Now I'll cover the pan and cook them till they become soft. After 2 minutes, reduce the heat to medium-low and stir the aloo gobi. Keep stirring after every 2-3 minutes, as it will take 10 to 12 minutes for aloo gobi to become soft. It's almost 10 minutes. Let me check the vegetables. As you can see, they are nice roasted. We don't have to make them very soft as we have to cook them with the gravy. Now switch off the stove and we'll keep this aside, and now we'll start with the gravy. Now we'll make the gravy. For this, heat the pressure cooker at medium heat. Add some oil to it. When the oil is hot, add cumin seeds and peppercorns to it. Mix it. Now I'll add garlic and chopped onions to it. Mix everything well, and we'll cook these onions till they become soft and change their color. As you can see, onions have become soft and changed their color. I'll add some chopped ginger to it. Add chopped tomato at this time. Mix it well. Add some salt. I'll add some water. Cover the pressure cooker and take 3 to 4 whistles. It's 4 whistles. Now I'll switch off the stove and wait till the pressure is out. Once the pressure cooker cool down, I'll open the lid. Switch on the stove at medium-high heat and we'll cook this masala till oil comes out. Smash all the garlic pieces and onions with the spoon. Keep sauteing. It will take almost 5 to 6 minutes till oil comes out. As you can see, the oil is coming out of the masala. It's time to add spices. I'll add some turmeric powder, some chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. Mix it well. Now we'll add roasted cauliflower and potatoes in it. Now we'll mix everything and we'll reduce the heat to medium-low and cook it for some time. As you can see, cauliflower and potatoes are nicely coated with the masala. Now I'll add fenugreek leaves to it. Take some leaves in your hand and crush it between your palm. It's almost 2 minutes. Now I'll increase the heat to medium and add the water for the gravy. I'm adding almost 1 cup of water. You can add more or less according to the consistency you like. Mix it well, and now we'll boil the gravy till the vegetables are properly cooked. It might take 7 to 8 minutes to cook these vegetables. It's almost 8 minutes. Let me check the vegetables if they are done or not. I'll take one potato piece and just smash it. Yeah, it's done. It's soft from inside. Now I'll switch off the stove. I'll sprinkle some garam masala. Mix everything. Aloo gobi is ready to serve. I'll take it in a bowl. Enjoy this yummy sabzi with puri, paratha or chapati. For more recipe, visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.